Nextcloud File Storage Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think cloud storage is just about saving files, but the surprising truth is, who controls your files matters more than where they are stored. Nextcloud is an open-source cloud storage platform that lets you host your own private cloud. Instead of storing files on a company's servers, you can run Nextcloud on your own server or choose a trusted hosting provider. This gives you full control over your data. Nextcloud works like Google Drive or Dropbox. You can upload files, sync folders, share links, and collaborate on documents. It also offers calendar tools, video calls, task management, and email integration. Here's what most people get wrong. They think self-hosting is too technical. While setup does require some basic technical knowledge, many hosting providers now offer one-click installations. Once it's running, using Nextcloud is simple and user-friendly. The biggest advantage is privacy. Your data is not scanned for advertising. Your files stay under your control. This makes Nextcloud especially attractive for businesses, professionals, and privacy-conscious users. However, Nextcloud is not perfect. You are responsible for backups, security updates, and server maintenance. If your server goes down, your files go down with it unless you've planned properly. In terms of cost, Nextcloud itself is free, but you'll pay for hosting and storage. Over time, this can be cheaper than major cloud services, especially if you need large storage capacity. Who should use Nextcloud? If you value privacy, want full control, or need a custom cloud solution for your business, Nextcloud is an excellent choice. If you want something simple and maintenance-free, mainstream cloud storage may be easier. The surprising truth is that Nextcloud gives you freedom, but freedom also means responsibility. Subscribe to the channel for more honest software reviews that help you choose wisely.